What's up, everybody? It's Steven.
And Tristan.
And we are Practical Family Projects, where we aim to help you tackle those indoor, outdoor, home DIY,
and craft projects.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And as always, the products that we use will be linked down in the description below. Hey, Tristan, guess what?
What?
I have a joke this time.
Okay, let me hear it.
You don't have a joke?
Today's craft project is brought to you by a Christmas present from my Aunt Suzanne and my Uncle Jamie. Today we are going to be building a Smart Robot Car Kit 3.0. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we opened up all the boxes, and this is everything that came inside. In this smallest box, we have all of the tools and everything we are going to need. And in the biggest box, we have the base. There's two different ones. So yeah. And in the second biggest box, we have some electronics, a charger, a remote, extra battery, a charger, and some wheels. And then in this box, it's another small box, we have all the electrons. Over here, we have the battery, to charge the batteries, and electronic pieces, and then some tape. So, let's start building. this kit came with a CD. If you need some additional steps, you can use the CD. And it also came with a roll of tape, so you can put it on the ground and the car will follow the roll of tape without having to use the remote. Okay, let's try out our car. We got the car completely finished. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works.